I don't know.
Well, show me what Santa got you, Finn.
Finn. Look at these dudes from the movie, like, you know, this movie.
Oh my gosh, look at those dudes. Sam, what did you get? Oh my gosh, it's the large family.
Oh, look!
Oh.
Alex Ryder.
Look at you go.
It's a hut crash. Oh.
Wow. Sam, what else have you got in there? Oh, hi, you're just licking your... Good morning, Kat.
What's the bats and stuff like that? Okay, this is pencil. Okay, last thing. What is it? My last thing too. What is it? I got one too, but it's a good one. It's a good one. I think that's a reindeer. That's reindeer. Hey, I ordered a sword.
Crazy.
Mommy, I ordered a sword and I have no more swords yet. I want the hey, Jack, I'm the good guy. Mommy, I got the good guy one.
You're the good guy one. All right.